Hey, what's going on, y'all? Bringing y'all another trade here. Looks like on the Euro Aussie. We saw this last night. Overall, it was looking pretty down. We had this huge move here on the 4 hour, and the daily looked like it was forming. It was in the process of transforming into a down trend from the uptrend that it was currently in previously. So I identified this zone over here, basically based on what was going on in the 4 hour. But here on the 30 minutes, you see it, and you see it on the 60-minute too. You have this drop, base, drop, strong move in, strong move out, boring candles, white space. You see it a little more clearly on the 60-minute, but I want to show you, I put my stop up here to cover this also drop, base, drop, just to have minimal risk, and I got my entry midway through the zone. I like to look for those so I don't have to take on the full zone. Like I said, you see a little more clearly here on the 60-minute, there's drop, base, drop. But overall on this trade right now, this is our entry point. We've been as much as 107 pips. We're up like 195 pips right now, but we're looking to take it all the way down here to the bottom of this wall for a little over 220 pips. I'm up 159 bucks on the trade right now, as you can see. This is, my risk on this was about $35. The overall target is going to be about 320. Yeah, we got like another 155 to go on that. So my stop was like 35, 40 bucks. So, that's basically a 10 to 1. And as this is getting to this area, I might just move my stop alongside, because on the daily, we do have the opportunity to take it all the way down to here on the daily, and that would give it another roughly 90 pips, so roughly another 150, so that'd be like $500-ish on a $700 account. Like I said, I pulled all my money back out before back in May because I had to deal with some stuff, but now we getting back in the markets. I'm giving trades again. Got 100 pips on this right now, looking for 200. What was it? Aussie USD hit for like 100 pips the other night. I had a retracement to the zone yesterday or the day before. I was in another trade, maxed out, so I couldn't hop into it, but it's been like 150 pips, I think, since the retracement back to the zone. Since last week, that's like 400 or 500 pips. Y'all stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, I would suggest go ahead and get subscribed now. And I'm gonna be calling out live trades. I'm gonna be doing live trainings in the markets and doing what we were doing before, getting this channel rolling and get us all making pips together. So happy trading until next time. Peace.